What business school did I go to? Well, I'm glad you asked. I went to a school out in Boston. How does this thing work? Where's Peter? Oh, hi. My name is Patrick, and I'm Peter's much more successful, wealthy, and better-looking twin brother. He is working on some Matt Devella course review tonight. I thought I'd just hop in and introduce myself and give you one quick life lesson. Where do I work? Well, thanks for asking. I work at Goldshlog Capital. We invest in everything from pre-seed to seed, to A to B, to C to D to E to E to F to G, all the way to IPO, because that's what we do. As your guru, yes, your guru, listen up. Yep, listen up. So lesson 1, and listen up, because there's only one lesson.
ABC, always be comparing.
When you're feeling down in your life and you need some connection, some empathy, some purpose, first thing you do is step 1. Go to LinkedIn, search successful friends. You ignore how far you've come and you focus on how far you have to go. That is the key to feeling an overwhelming hole in your life and you don't know how to fill it. But look at everyone that's a managing director, a general partner, a startup founder. Ideally, they've done 10, 100x your performance so that you can feel that insecurity deep within inside of you that was implanted when you were a kid. And you can overcome it and be much more successful than all of them combined. Yes, like a big Dragon Ball Z fireball. Crazy. Step 2, make sure you ruminate. Overthink it. Now that you have all these case studies identified, make sure you identify, well, how come they're better than you and how come you are terrible? And you overthink it and overanalyze exactly why this happened and how far you are from them. Identify the gap, and that is how you drive more insecurity so that you achieve even more next time. As an overachiever, when you burn out, that's when you start getting the real gains. That's when you start losing your girlfriend, your job, putting on weight. That's when your overachievement kicks in and you can really take things to the next level. Step 3, take no action. When you take no action, you can just think about all the great things you want to do, and then you can start repeating steps 1 through 3 in this vicious comparison spiral. And the more you spiral, the more you will overachieve and the more you will burn out. And that's when you start getting the real gains. And that's how you can prove that you are worth something. Burning the midnight oil, chopping the timber, waxing the shit. That's not right.
ABC, always be comparing.
For all of you out there that are overcompensating, know that I, Patrick, am with you. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button.
Bang the bell and subscribe.
Patrick out.